Let's learn the names of vegetables in English. Tomato. The tomato turns red in the sun. Potato. Potato. We fry the potato for lunch. Onion. Onion. The onion makes my eyes cry. Carrot. Carrot. A rabbit jumps to grab the carrot. Cucumber. Cucumber. A cool cucumber tastes great in summer. Garlic. Garlic. Grandma adds garlic to the soup. Pepper. Pepper. The red pepper feels very hot. Eggplant. Eggplant. Mom grills the purple eggplant slowly. Lettuce. Lettuce. Fresh lettuce makes the salad crunchy. Cabbage. Cabbage. We wrap rice inside the cabbage. Spinach. Spinach. Spinach makes Popeye very strong. Broccoli. Broccoli. The broccoli looks like a tiny tree. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. White cauliflower cooks fast in water. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. We carve a big pumpkin in autumn. Zucchini. Zucchini. The green zucchini grows in our garden. Peas. Peas. Little peas hide inside the green pod. Beans. Beans. We cook beans slowly on low heat. Corn. Corn. The yellow corn pops on the fire. Radish. Radish. The red radish tastes a bit spicy. Beetroot. Beetroot stains my hands red. Celery. Celery. I hear the celery crunch loudly. Parsley. Parsley. We sprinkle parsley over the warm rice. Mint. Mint. Fresh mint smells sweet in the tea. Ginger. Ginger. Warm ginger helps my sore throat. Mushroom. Mushroom. The mushroom grows after the rain. Turnip. Turnip. The farmer pulls the turnip from mud. Okra. Okra. Okra makes the sauce thick and soft. Artichoke. Artichoke. We peel the artichoke leaf by leaf. Asparagus. Asparagus. Thin asparagus stands tall on the plate. Leek. Leek. The long leek looks like green onion. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. We bake the sweet potato in autumn. Chili. Chili. One tiny chili burns my whole mouth. Green pepper. Green pepper. The green pepper adds crunch to pizza. Coriander. Coriander. Fresh coriander gives the soup a smell. Squash. Squash. The round squash sits on the shelf. Fennel. Fennel. Fennel tastes a little like sweet candy. Kale. Kale. Green kale fills my healthy breakfast bowl. Chard. Chard. The charred leaves shine dark and green. Watercress. Watercress. Watercress grows near the cool river. Green beans. Green beans. We snap the green beans before cooking them all and sweet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. Leave a comment and tell me what you think.